Tom, and thank you so much for being with us at Glee TV.
Thanks very much.
First of all, can you tell us a bit about your business and how you come up with this idea?
Well, where did I start? After a few beers? No, I'm only joking. So I'm part of my 4th generation printing business, and it's been going 78 years this year. And I came across the seed paper where it had wildflowers in there, and I thought, wow, what an amazing concept. How could I make this into something that's incredible? And one of those eureka moments that I saw a lot of my cousins that are young lads inside on the games and not reading anything. I wanted to get them away from that. And I thought, if I could make a book that could get them excited about being outside and then planting that, how incredible would that be? So when you go on Google and wonder if you find there's a concept out there that's very similar, and it wasn't. So then it was a long time of developing things, getting the right designs, getting the right concepts, the right seeds and vegetables, and we're here today.
That's wonderful. And can you tell us about what you're holding right now?
Yeah, sure. So this is Willsow, the first ever Plantable children's book. So the main principle is that the children read the book, meet the character who's too big for his bed, which is the carrot, and then they plant the book in the ground and it grows the main character, being carrots. They're all non-GMO seeds as well, so they all grow nice in different shapes and sizes. So it teaches children that everything doesn't grow perfect. It's all not like the supermarkets. It should be like the farms, how they grow them.
I'm sure that will bring many children into gardening as well.
Yeah.
Where do you see the business growing in the future?
Oh, I like the pun there, well done. It's a hard one really, because we've only been going 3 years. We started the business off in the first year, and then we were on Dragon's Den, which has made it go absolutely massive. And I think it's been recognised, the business. So people see us and then go, wow, it's Dragon's Den, so they must be proven concepts. That's really helped us project us. But going from florists to garden centres, to being the book of the moment in Selfridges, we won the Gift of the Year award this year. We won the best new product on our high street. So it's just really pinch me moments every week. So ultimately, I don't know where it's going to be, but we're talking to the DIT at the moment to look at international, which is quite hard with seeds, but we're nearly there through that moment. We're looking at becoming a B Corp business. And ultimately, all these things are really exciting, but the more books we sell is the more children we get in the garden.
And how do you see sustainability in general? Do you think this is something that most companies need to look at right now?
Oh yeah, without a doubt. Our books are sustainable through and through. So our paper is 100% post-consumer waste. And we go above and beyond we could make the book cheaper by having staples and glue binding, but we don't. We stitch it with natural cotton with a machine. So it's all biodegradable. It's vegetable-based inks, non-GMO seeds, and we make them all in-house in Leicester. So our distribution is in the Midlands, in the UK, distributing to UK businesses.
And you have other products in the pipeline?
Yeah, so we have 5 books out at the moment. We've just launched a Grow Your Own range, which is pumpkin. So unfortunately, pumpkin seeds are too big, they fall out the pages. So we've made it so you pour the seeds out the book. So we're doing lots of sunflowers, lots of other books on that range. We've got some really other exciting concepts, such as greetings cards, not plantable ones, but when you cut your lawn, the grass goes into a bin. But we're taking that grass and making paper out of it. So we've got greeting cards that made of 50% grass and 50% recycled paper. So it's good for the environment, good for marketing, good for teaching children what you can do in sustainability. And also we're doing a children's clothing range. It's made to get messy. We don't want children to be perfect. We want children to be excited about having mud on their hands and their t-shirts. So what the most exciting thing about it's all Better Cotton Initiative t-shirts. But then on the label, on the t-shirt, there's a QR code. So children grow really quickly, so that t-shirt will be used for a year and then thrown away. But you scan that QR code, gives you a free post envelope, and then you can send that t-shirt back to the manufacturers, recycled into the same t-shirts. So we're doing that closed loop fashion. So we'll be selling these books with a t-shirt and a greeting card, either in retail shops or in e-commerce.
And do you do any events to raise brand awareness?
Any events? Yeah, thankfully we are winning awards. So that's amazing organic marketing and brand awareness. We're donating to local charities to be the best we can do and do the best for our environment. So we donate our offcuts to local schools. I think trade shows such as Glee, getting ourselves and putting ourselves in front of the perfect target audience and the retail is a lot of brand awareness. And as you know, it costs a lot of money. So we go big and try and be as much as possible shouting about who Willsow are.
And do you have any plans of expansion to other countries?
Yeah, as I spoke earlier about the DIT, we definitely are. We're speaking to France and America at the moment. Thankfully, Dragon's Den is shared over the world, so we get a lot of interest from New Zealand, Australia. But we've only been going 3 years, as I said earlier, but we don't want to be too big and get too soon, exactly. So yeah, we are going to be there, but we're just trying to get our feet on the ground first before we go mental.
And do it organically.
Yeah, exactly that.
Thank you so much for being with us
Hey, no
at
worries.
Glee TV, and thank
Very
you
nice to
for
meet you.
watching.